Welcome! Here, we don't talk about complicated theories or long speeches. We talk about you, your business, and how Zaina can make your life easier. Your sales, your clients, your organization, everything becomes clear, simple, and effective. With Zaina, your business won't get lost, it moves forward. Let's go and discover together how to succeed, stress-free and with a plan. Your phone can be your office. How to use it properly for your business. Look at your phone for a second. That same phone you used to talk to your family, watch videos, send messages. What if I told you that this phone can also become your office? Not a complicated office. A simple office. An office that fits in your hand. Brain part 1, the phone, friend or source of fatigue? Many people use their phone for business without really realizing it. The result? Messages everywhere. Mixed up photos. Contacts without names. At the end of the day, you feel tired without knowing why. It's not the work that makes you tired. Backhand index pointing right, it's the disorder. But the good news is, you don't need a computer. Brain part 2, what your phone can do, simply. Your phone can save client contacts, store product photos, track important messages. But only if you organize it a little. Otherwise, it slows you down. Magnifying glass tilted left part 3, Zaina as a natural extension of your phone. With Zaina, your phone becomes clear. Products are organized. Clients are identified. Information doesn't get lost anymore. You open the app, and you know exactly what to do. Direct hit conclusion. Your phone can drain you, or it can help you. Zaina helps you turn it into a real office.